For Bowling Green, they've been the underdog, but that hasn't stopped the Bobcats. Head coach Fred Riggs and his club always find a way. It may have taken some time to develop chemistry amongst the team. The Bobcats are clicking at the right time and look to carry their confidence into tomorrow's contest.
It took us a little while for this team to start to gel, and some key victories along the way. Started to believe more and more and more, and then finally, these guys believe they can do it, and that's it's fun to watch when these kids, when you see it in their faces and you see that, hey, we're down a run late in the game, but we got this, and there's confidence in each other, and they know that guy coming up to bat is going to do their job, and that confidence and that change and even in the energy in the dugout, it's just amazing, and it's so fun to watch because these guys deserve it.
We've been priding ourselves on energy recently during the postseason, trying to have more energy than the other team. And I think that's a part of our success, other than just like being locked in every pitch and knowing how big this moment is, but not letting it affect us.
Yeah, we've always been the underdogs all year long, so it's great to show people what we can really do when we put it all together.
I mean, for us to keep playing, I mean, it's a great thing for the seniors because they want this for their whole 4 years of their high school career, and if we get the chance to do it, we're going to succeed and we're going to win this state.
Yeah, we're going to try to keep it going. It's amazing. I'm happy for these seniors that they get the chance to play in the postseason, and we're going to try to keep it going. Hopefully it's not one more, it's 4 more.